Welcome back to the channel, everyone. In today's video, we're diving deep into the latest leaks and speculations surrounding Garmin's highly anticipated flagship sports watch, the Garmin Fenix 8, with Garmin's previous models like the Fenix 7 and 7X Pro establishing themselves as industry leaders. There's a lot of excitement about what the Fenix 8 might bring to the table. But the big question is, will Garmin's new features allow it to take the lead, especially when even giants like Apple have faced challenges in similar technological pursuits? Stay tuned to find out all the details about the Fenix 8, and make sure you subscribe and hit the bell icon for more tech news and reviews. Rumors about the Garmin Fenix 8 have been circulating for a while now, and it's clear that Garmin is preparing to make a bold statement with this release. Although there hasn't been an official announcement from Garmin regarding its launch date, industry experts are speculating that we could see the Fenix 8 hitting shelves either in late 2024 or early 2025. One of the most intriguing rumors is that the Fenix 8 might be equipped with a cutting-edge microLED display, a feature that has been highly sought after but difficult to implement in wearables. If Garmin indeed manages to include a microLED display in the Fenix 8, it would be a major leap forward for smartwatch technology. MicroLED disc, known for its superior brightness, vibrant colors, and enhanced durability compared to traditional OLED displays. Fenix 8 does feature a microLED display. It could start at a significantly higher price point than its predecessors, possibly exceeding the $1,000 mark for the base model. While the Fenix 8's display is garnering a lot of attention, there are also rumors about significant improvements to its health and fitness tracking capabilities. Garmin is reportedly working on upgrading the hardware for greater accuracy and introducing new metrics that cater specifically to endurance athletes, such as VO2 max for running and cycling, and advanced swimmetrics. The integration of solar charging has been a game changer for many outdoor enthusiasts, allowing them to extend the watch's battery life significantly without needing to plug in. If the Fenix 8 builds on this technology with more efficient solar panels, it could offer even longer run times, making it a must-have for long-distance hikers and adventurers. While the Fenix series has traditionally prioritized durability over aesthetics, the Fenix 8 might strike a better balance between form and function. Leaked information suggests that Garmin is experimenting with new materials like titanium and carbon fiber to reduce weight without sacrificing strength. One area where Garmin has typically lagged behind competitors like Apple and Samsung is in smart features and app connectivity. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on the Fenix 8 and other upcoming tech releases.